Hello everyone. Is your child understanding the topic but still making mistakes in exams? Your child has already learned the topic, but learning alone is not enough. The most important thing is regular practice. Most students understand the concept once, but without daily practice, they forget it very quickly. The more a student practices, the more confident and accurate they become. So now it's time to move from learning to practice. In this video, we are not going to explain the topic again. Instead, Practice Zone is giving you a worksheet that your child can solve on their own. There are many free worksheets available online, but finding the right one takes time and most of them are not structured. So instead of wasting time searching, Practice Zone provides simple, clean and well-structured worksheets that help students practice step by step. This is not just a worksheet, it's a part of a regular practice system to improve your child's learning. You can download the worksheet, take a printout and let your child practice regularly. As a parent or teacher, you can also check the answers yourself. And if needed, you can take help from the answer sheet given at the end of the worksheet. The worksheet is free. You will find the download link in the description. For more worksheets like this, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and watch the full video to support this initiative. Your support will help Practice Zone continue providing regular practice worksheets for students. Let's build a daily practice habit for our child. Thank you.